Today we're going to start a new project, which is a skeleton hand. We're going to work on the different bones that are in our hand, and we're going to work on value. Remember, value is one of the 7 elements of art. And we have value right here where we have the dark, the medium, and the light. And that's what helps giving your bones some depth. Now you're going to start on a black piece of paper with a white colored pencil. If I do that, you're not going to be able to see it very well. So I'm going to start with a gray paper, and I'm going to start with a Sharpie so you'll be able to see it. Now, the hand that you do not write with, you're going to lay down to trace. Now, while we're tracing, we're also going to make little notices on where our joints are. Now, your joint is where your 2 bones come together and are able to bend. So we want to mark those joints. And don't forget this little one up here, okay? So lay your hand down, spread it out a little bit, and you want a little bit of your wrist bones here too. So you're going to go around your fingers carefully. Go around every one. And take it all the way off the paper. Now I want you to go back and I want you to make just a little mark. And you'll be able to erase these marks. A little mark where all your joints are, because that's going to help keep all your bones in the right order. And see this? These are your knuckles right here. That's what's the joints that are going to be right there. So now after you've got your hand traced nicely, now we're going to start doing these bones. And if you notice, these bones are all together in your hand. In your fingers, you have 3 and you have 2 in your thumb. So you're going to want to make them meet where the joints are. So you're going to go like this and do all your bones. Do all your finger bones first. And I'm going through this kind of quick so that we can get going, because I don't want you to just watch me draw the whole class. So get all your bones. And if you notice, they're a little thinner, the tops and bottoms are a little thicker. So you're going to get all your joints done. Okay? All your bones done. All the way down to the bottom. Then we're going to start putting in our value. Now for your value, you can pick pretty much what any colors you want. I happen to pick blue, but I could have picked 3 greens. I could have picked 3 purples, 3 reds, 3 oranges. You just want 3 colors that are analogous colors, meaning they're colors right next to each other on the color wheel. And you want a dark, a medium, and a light of the same color. So you're going to pick the right side of your bones and you're going to do the dark color, the medium in the middle, and the light color on the edge. And if you need to, you can smear them together a little bit with the medium. So we're just going to do one really quick right here. Let's see, if I used red, I think red would be kind of scary. Say I did a dark red, a medium red, and of course, this doesn't look as good. Oh, that really wasn't as red as I would have liked. Let's use this red here. That's a little bit better. And then you can smear them together a little bit so that you've got the dark, the medium, and the light. And if you smear too much of the light off, remember these are oil pastels. You can just go back over them. Now, after you get your all your bones done in your hand, then the very last thing we're going to do is this little highlight here. And for that, we're going to use chalk pastels. And for that, you're just going to do your outline. And then you're just going to take your finger and you're just going to smear it out. And when you have all that done, this will be your final result. And I cannot wait to see what these are going to look like.